very excited today, traders, to have Ahmed Mustakam with us. He is a poster child for us. He has recently hit the level 8 of the director account, which means he's trading $1 million, life-changing, $1 million. So first of all, I want to say congratulations, Ahmed.
Thank you, Julian.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
It was a really great achievement. You had to, if I'm not wrong, you had to pass 7 levels or 8 levels and make 7% on every level. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, fantastic. And that is a tough feat. Now, I guess all the traders out there would be super interested in a bit about your story. Everyone loves to hear about strategy, and hopefully we go in and get through all that stuff. So my first question, Ahmed, is, how did you first, do you remember the first trade that you placed?
Thank you, Julian. It was great experience for me. So it was long time. Actually, I don't really remember. I think I placed an order on EuroGP.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was my favorite pair back then. Yeah.
What platform were you on? Do you remember if you won or lost?
I'm using MetaTrader MT4, okay. Of course. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And did you win? Did you win on the trade or?
I think I won. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then from there, tell me a bit about your background. What were you doing for work? Where were you living? What was life like when you first discovered trading?
I come from Indonesia,
mm-hmm.
And I'm 30 years old. Actually, my main activity is an employee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But besides that, I also make some trading. So I'm not a full-time trader, but someday I want to be a full-time trader. Yeah.
Okay. When you say you're an employee, what industry do you work in?
Actually, I work in the government institution at state prosecutors. Yeah, and I'm a staff at the prosecutors state.
At a prosecutor's, so
yeah.
Like a legal firm.
Yeah, that's right.
So you're very smart.
Oh no, I'm not that smart.
Ahmed, how did you discover the concept trading?
About a year ago, I got to know about prop firm,
mm-hmm.
And I thought it was interesting. So I have tried several prop firms, and one of the best is, of course, concept trading. Yeah.
Okay. And did you discover it online, or you're just always looking for prop firms and it happened to pop up, or?
Yeah. I try many several prop firms like FTMO.
Yeah.
And the others, but sometimes I pass, and sometimes I fail too. But no, I'm only focused at the concept trading.
Okay, cool. So can you describe your initial experiences with trading? What was it like when you first started doing it, or giving it a good crack?
Yeah, like most traders, at first I fell and I fought at first, and that let me learn and keep learning. So I think it's my key is I never give up. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
You
Because
never give
once,
up.
yeah,
You
because we give up. Once we give up, then everything will be over.
And you said something there, you got to keep learning. Do you think you learnt more by actually doing it and trading, or more by looking at YouTube videos and reading things? How are you, how did the process look like for you?
Mm. Almost I'm learning by doing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Learning.
perfect.
Yep.
But sometimes I'm look for YouTube on other social media, but almost I'm learning by doing.
Okay. That makes sense. What personal attributes or qualities do you think have helped you to trading success? So are you an analytical person, or are you good at maths? You're obviously very intelligent. What are the attributes or qualities you think have helped you be successful?
Mhm. Yeah. Actually, my character, I'm a patient person.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, I'm serious, but I relax at the same time. And like I said before, I didn't give up. I never give up. Yeah. And of course, concept trading give me the freedom and platform to start my journey as a prop firm trader.
Great. And when you say patience, what do you mean by that? You're not.
Mm.
Do you place a lot of trades? Like, how many trades do
No,
you place a day?
no. I mean patient like I'm waiting for best conditions
Mhm.
to entry market
Okay,
like that. Mm.
that makes sense. That makes sense. What role has mentorship played in your growth?
I I think I don't really have a mentorship.
Yeah, that's what I thought was interesting. I remember having a chat with you about this, and
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
didn't have a mentor. It's kind of one of those hard things to find. Is a good mentor.
Mm. Like I said, I was learning by doing.
Mm.
And at first, I'm learning from forum and the social media. But now, maybe 1 or 2 years, I I like to learning by doing. Yeah,
Mhm.
I set my routinity. I set my planning. Uh, yeah, like that.
Okay. Okay. So no mentorship, just learning by the virtual internet mentor. Have you seen your trading skills
Mhm.
and techniques evolve since joining Concept Trading?
It have developed a lot in some aspect. My trading skill are more honed and more sharper with concept trading. Yeah.
Do you mind me asking what is sharper? I know, like, do you have different risk management that you use?
Mhm.
What is happened? You know, traders want to know what's changed.
Before I know about problem, I was ordinary trader. So when I know problem,
Yep.
especially concept trading, uh, I try to make a planning to get step by step for the next level. So sometimes I use high risk, but sometimes I use medium risk or low risk. Yeah, but all my strategy is for uh, to make a higher level and then make a biggest or highest level at concept trading.
Sorry, make the next level. So you
Yeah,
set
yeah,
a profit target to make
yeah.
the next level.
For
Okay.
the first time, my dream is to reach the highest level.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And so you're saying you broke that up into little bits, and every day just kept
yeah.
chipping away. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. there's a lot of traders out there. We see them, and they do face setbacks. Can you share a challenge you encountered, and tell us how you overcame that?
At first, we have to recognize our weakness as well, and as our strengths. Sorry, and don't be embarrassed to admire defeat. Yeah. But at the same time, don't forget to continue learning and developing our trading skills. And luckily, concept trading give us opportunities to growing and to reach highest level.
Yeah. So, I mean, this is a good point. You've been through the program a few times. How many times do you reckon you've been through the program? About 10 times, over 10 times. You've tried to make the level
I
8.
know. It's a lot program.
Yeah.
Maybe more than 20.
Okay.
A lot.
So it's something that you had to keep working at. You had to be very diligent. Yep. Okay.
Sometimes I fail, sometimes I win. Yeah.
Yep. And failing is just one step away from winning, really. I think that's a really good quote that I like. So that's good advice. So even if traders do face setbacks, you got to learn from those mistakes, and you just got to keep trying. I think that's what we're trying to get at. As you're the first trader, obviously in the whole history of the concept trading, to hit the top account. How did that make you feel?
Of course, this is very extraordinary, to reach these stats. I think it's not easy, but also not difficult, and very grateful to be able to reach these stats. Like, of course, like dream come true.
Yeah.
My pride and my honor.
Yeah. No, I mean, I think you can see it in your face when you talk about it. You feel very proud about it. And I remember when you first sent that testimonial video in, it moved me. You were like, I did this. I've done it.
Yeah.
So, it's incredible when you achieve that, and you should be very proud of what you've done. What advice would you give to people who are just starting trading in the financial markets? What would you tell them?
Okay. First, just enjoy the process.
Enjoy the process.
And don't rush too much. And of course, don't never stop learning, and be open to new things. And like I said, be patient. Yeah, because we have to believe. If we be patient, disciplined, then sooner or later, success will come. Of course.
I mean, that's very good advice. Do you feel passionately about trading, Ahmed? Like, are you spending 10 hours a day in front of the screen? Like, what are you?
No. I'm not often seeing the chart. Maybe a day, just a few hours.
A few hours a day.
Yeah.
And then do you watch your trades when they're on?
Of course, sometimes. But if I'm not using a stop loss, I make an hedging for protect my order.
Okay. Cool. I just thought, I think motivation's a big part, and I think you need to have that passion, and you clearly love the markets, obviously having done it for 10 years. In what ways has the concept trading helped you achieve your financial goals, and how's that affected your life outside?
No, as I said previously, I just an ordinary trader, with ordinary capital. But the concept trading offers a journey to reach a higher level. So it seems impossible for ordinary traders to reach it. But yeah, this is what happens. Even ordinary traders like me can become a big trader.
Yes, I
And
mean, the traders talk about being like a 7-digit trader or having a 7-digit win or whatever, and you're definitely in that category. What are you going to buy?
maybe a new car for self reward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What sort of car? What does this mean for you?
You
What sort of
know, my dream car is a BMW.
a BMW?
That's my dream car.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Well, listen, it sounds like you're going that way, so there should be a BMW in the driveway very shortly. Can you highlight any specific tools or resources that you use that help you as a trader?
Oh yeah, yeah. Of course, there are several tools that are really on to help me with trading, but it's just a simple tools. In the meta trading, I'm not use a lot of tools. Uh, and of course, don't hesitate to take part in the training program. Yeah, it's good because it will shape our character. Like discipline and thought. I think the most important case is discipline and our psychology. It have to always good and calm as a trader.
Sorry, you're saying mental quality, or you
Yeah.
have to be calm and
Or mentality or psychology is have to always good, relax. Don't be angry or greedy. That's not good.
yeah. That's when you do a lot of journaling, they say you should write down your mental state, and I've always been like, why do you do that? But obviously, you're saying if you're in a good state, good things will come to you. What do you do to keep motivated? How do you maintain? You talk about discipline a lot. How do you maintain that discipline? How do you stay motivated? Do you have a routine? I know there's a lot of questions in there, but tell us a little bit about that.
Okay. Like I said, discipline. Yeah, discipline is the one of the keys into trading.
Mhm.
And of course, it requires commitment and continuous practice
Mhm.
to form our discipline. Like as traders, don't forget to keep dreaming. Yeah, dreaming of success.
Yeah. So visualizing success, like
Yeah.
manifesting success.
So if we're dreaming, so we have to spirit to reach our dream.
Okay.
Keep our dream. Yeah.
Well, yeah. If you don't know where you're going and you don't have that vision, I agree. You're never going to get there. So I think that's very powerful advice. Very powerful advice.
Yeah.
So how do you do that? Do you have a vision board or?
No, just just keep don't uh, just believe in yourself.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, believe in yourself about the dreaming, about the success. Sooner or later, it will come, of course.
So, Ahmed, routine I think is very important in any trader's sort of setup. Getting ready, looking for potential, all that sort of stuff. Can you tell me a little bit about what your pre-market routine is, or your start of day routine?
Actually, my main activity is an employee.
Mhm.
And besides that, I also make an analysis of today's market before
Mhm.
I start trading. But usually in the morning, I will make a coffee first.
Yeah.
Yeah. After working hours as an employee,
Yeah.
I will start my work as a trader.
Okay. And what does that look like? What do you do? Are you just looking at charts?
Yeah, of course. I'm looking at your chart, make my analysis, and waiting. Yeah, just waiting.
waiting for the right
Yeah.
setup. Okay.
Yes.
And we've talked before. So when you're looking at analysis, you're looking over multiple time frames.
Yeah. My analysis is not one time frame.
Okay.
I'm always using minimum 5 time frames,
Mhm.
and the medium 15 and 13 time frames, and the higher 4 hour and daily time frame.
Okay. Good to know.
Always multiple time frames for me.
Gotcha. So tell me a little bit more about your work. Is it like a 9 to 5 job or?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a 9 to 5 job.
9 to 5 job.
Yeah.
So you should be working now, or it's flexible hours, or?
Actually, I don't know. It's my working hours, but yeah, it's flexible for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, just 1 or 2 hours, I make this interview.
Okay, cool. Given what's happened, do you think that will change now that you're able to maybe earn some more money from trading?
No. Nothing has changed. I think all jobs are good, but becoming a full-time trader, it's my dream.
Okay.
Maybe someday. Yeah.
Okay. So you'll still aspire. I mean, what does that look like? When do you know you can become a full-time trader?
Maybe 10 years soon.
10 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just prepare my early, I quit from my main job and become a full-time trader.
Okay. What has had the most influence on your trading style?
Actually, nothing really influenced my trading style, but I once read about a trader from Japan.
Yep.
If you know, namely Takashi Kotegawa.
I don't know him, but
It was phenomenal. It inspired me. Yeah.
And sorry, what was his name? Did he write a book? Is that
Takashi Kotegawa?
Tagashi?
Yeah, trader from Japan.
Okay. Well, all the budding traders out there will have to look into that one. Okay. So he was probably the guy whose strategy you've adapted. Would that be right?
Not strategy, but he's inspired me about
Okay.
his shift he made.
Okay. Cool. Good to know. What was your biggest winning trade?
Not long ago, I saved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost it with concept trading.
Okay.
About maybe 70,000.
70,000.
It's my biggest win.
Wow. Well done. So that's a payout that you got from the okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. Now, what about your biggest loser? Do you remember when that was?
Maybe a few years ago, I lost 20 and 30,000.
Yeah, right. In one trade?
No, it maybe 1 or 2 week.
In 1 or 2 weeks. Okay. $20 or $1,000. Okay. Well, it's good. You got a good risk reward. 20, 30 versus 70. You're going in the right direction.
Yeah.
How many strategies do you use, Ahmed? Are you looking at a few different types of setups, or are you just focusing on one?
I think not much, because I think the more strategies and tools will make us more confused.
Yep.
And unsure of ourselves, and in the end, it will lead us to wrong direction. Yeah. So I'm not too much using strategy or tools.
Okay, but you have one strategy that you use. We talked about this a little bit online. You look for imbalances, or when the market spikes. Would that be right?
Yeah. About of course, support resistant area.
Mhm.
Yeah, maybe many traders different have a different analysis about supporting and resistant area, but
Mhm.
I'm looking for that and make waiting for correction. Of
Yeah,
course,
waiting for a correction. Yeah. Okay.
yeah. No, I'm not looking a trend. No, that's not my style.
Not looking at a trend.
Yeah.
Okay. You're looking for support and resistance,
Mhm.
and then you're looking for fake breaks of support and resistance, or
Yeah. Yeah. It always not work anyway, but you know sometimes you done good your analysis not good and wrong. You have just to protect your entry,
Mhm.
maybe stop loss, but usually I'm using hedging.
Okay. When you say using hedging, what do you mean?
It replaces stop loss for loss and sometimes for my profit. Uh, yeah, usually I'm using hedging.
Hedging. So you take an opposite position. Is that right?
Yeah, of course.
And then
Opposite
you
one.
might lose that position, and then or you close them simultaneously. How do
Yeah,
you?
yeah. I'm locking with the opposite position and of course waiting for the next signal.
Okay. And then you might get rid of the hedge and let the trade
Yeah,
continue.
waiting for the moment. And you know, I follow the news. I'm not a news trader.
You're not a news trader. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Is there anything else you want to add about your strategy, like what it is, or is it a particular candle setup? Is it a couple of candles that go above support or resistance?
Yeah.
I know you don't
Ex-
want to give away your secrets, but
no. There is no secret. You know, it's just simple. My strategy is simple. The more simple your strategy, I think it's more good.
okay.
But you know, if you have a good strategy, but you don't have good psychology, is I think it's bad. So
Good
we have
psychology.
balance. Yeah, we
Yeah.
have a good strategy and good psychology.
Yeah.
That's combined, and you can be a good trader.
Okay. Well, I agree with you. I think I speak from my personal experience, but it's always when I get angry or I get on tilt or I get greedy that my whole trading comes undone. So
Yeah, of course.
there's probably something to be said
Yeah.
about. We've sort of covered this, but what skills do you think are most important when trading? You said obviously patience is your biggest one. Do you always place a stop loss?
Oh, stop loss. Yeah, of course. But sometimes, you know, uh, sometimes I using stop loss, but sometimes, like I said, I replace my stop loss with hedging with the opposite
Yeah.
position. Yeah. So I think it maintains my psychology.
Okay. So you'll always have some sort of risk management plan in
Of
place,
course.
whether
Yeah.
it's hedging or okay. Well,
Of course. Yeah.
that's good to know. That's good to know. What are your favorite hobbies or pastimes? What do you like to do when you're not trading?
Yeah. My favorite hobby.
Yeah.
You know, I really like football. Yeah.
Football, as in soccer.
Football. I love football and
Yeah.
soccer. Yeah. And in my spare time, I do exercise.
Yep.
I think there's that exercise or workout. Yeah, there's I think no day without workout for me.
You have to work out every day.
Yeah, maybe every day or today.
Okay. And do you play football?
Of
Or
course,
you
of
just,
course,
oh, you do play football.
of course.
Are you part of
That's
like a club? Are you part of like a club, or
oh no. I'm not a,
you just
I'm
play
not
with?
professional. Just you know, amateur player.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is
Cool.
my hobby. My hobby.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Do you look online for financial news? Do you have a favorite website that you go to where you look at charts or you discuss stuff with people? What's your website to go to?
Hmm. Uh, I often use my FX book.
My FX book. Yep.
Yeah, I think it's very good. But like I said, I'm not a news trader, so I just observe about news at my FX book.
Okay. Does that affect your trading? Like if you know there's a major piece of news coming out, will that change whether or not you take a trade?
Uh, I'm not trading if news even is coming, so I'm
Okay.
waiting. I just waiting. The news is passed, so I like trade after news, before and after news.
Okay. Okay. Cool. That makes sense. So do you use any forums? Are you on any social groups or anything like that?
For right now, there are no forums for me.
Okay.
But
Okay.
but a few years ago, I saw a lot of online forums,
Yep.
like MKL5 forums.
Mhm.
Yeah. But now I'm more comfortable like this.
Doing it yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Can you just tell us right now in like 10 seconds
Mhm.
why you love, like, I love the concept trading because, and you can just tell us why.
Like I said, concept trading is revolutionary. You know, it's fewer rules, no hidden rules. You know, it's just reach the target and you go next level and fast payment, fast response. I think it's very good. But next, if you can make a payout autopilot automatically, it will be great.
Okay. Thank you so much. I don't know whether you have anything else you want to add. We would love to share your story organically. So we'd love to share your social media channels. You mentioned you'd be happy to provide them to us and we can add them to when we post this on YouTube and our different channels. What's next for you, Ahmed? What's next in your trading journey? What's the next goal or dream that you're gonna?
Yeah,
I mean, you've done well.
many
You've done well.
many target, many goals. You know, this is new year. It's but maybe I will enjoy first. You know, enjoy this moment first. So
Yep.
in the next month, this year, uh, I will set my target and my goals more high.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I hope we're a part of that and we can get you up to one of those $20 million accounts. Maybe that'd be
Thank you.
that'd be
Thank
crazy.
you.
But we will try, and obviously our relationship continues. We will try and get your social media details out there so you can maybe help people in Indonesia or people who are interested, and sort of tell them a little bit more about what we do and you know, your success story, because it really is a great one and it really touched me, especially when I saw that first video. So thank you from the Concept Trading team.
Thank you,
And
Julian.
best of luck and keep doing what you're doing. And I hope it goes really well.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
That's all right. No problem.